24 into 25 equal to, in basic maths, 24 into 25 we calculate 10 this sum taking so time. Sum is in basic maths we calculate some time only. 24 into 25. Now, into 25 means divided 4. Why I am taking bigger 4? 25 is probability number. 100 base. Why? 100 also there, 2 zeros. So 25 sum is 100. Why I am taking divisible 4. In this, 4 rules are there. There are 0 equal to 2 zeros. In 100, here 2 zeros. Why I am put 2 zeros? 1 equal to 25. Our number is 20. 2 equal to 25 plus 25 equal to 50. 3 equal to 50 plus 25 equal to 75. I am doing something. In multiplication, we calculate 4 divisible 24. 24 is divisible by 4. How many times? 6 times. We got 0 remainder. 0 is not divisible by 4. I am taking 0 means 2 zeros. And put 2 zeros. So get this answer. This answer and this answer is same. So basic maths is right. The example is 165 into 25. Into 25 means divisible by 4. 16 is divisible by 4. So 4 times. We cancel 16 and put 0. 5 is not divisible by 4. 1s are 4. So the remainder is 1. 1 is not divisible by 4. So we will get 25. 1 means 25. So the answer is 4100.